Hey guys, so today I'm not feeling it. I really don't feel like going to the gym, but we're here and we're going. So I'm actually on my way there right now. Yeah, this is when discipline just has to take over, you know? We gotta fucking go. We gotta do this. Gotta do it. Gotta do it! I also, so I got a tattoo this past weekend, so I'm hoping that that doesn't really affect my workout because I got it like right here in my arm. And so when I'm on the squat rack and I bend my arm, it kind of feels a little sensitive, but I think I should be fine. So hopefully I have a really good workout. But anyways, yeah, I'm super excited about my tattoo just because I'm almost done with my arm. I just need a few fillers, and this was one of them. It's like a cute little floral design, and yeah, but my arm's still pretty swollen. I've been putting like my ointment on it or whatever, but anyways, I'm super excited. Almost done. I have both arms pretty much completely full, for the most part. I still, like I said, I still have a few empty spots that I want to cover, but anyways, yeah, super side note. Bye guys.